this is week 7. We're going to talk about the cost approach this week. Okay, so we know about the market approach. Market approach is where you're grabbing comparables and you're taking those comparables, comparing them to your subject property, making adjustments, and finding the value for your property. So if you have 3 comparables in a market value scenario, one house sold for 150, one house sold for 155, one house sold for 145. Okay, so that gives you a range. And if they're a like property, after your adjustments, you're probably going to be somewhere around 150 for the value of that property. Okay, so that's how that works. The cost approach is different. The cost approach does this. It looks at what the land is, and then it looks at the material and the labor of what went into building the house. So it just breaks down the cost of what went into that house. Okay, so find out what the land is. You add the cost of the labor and material for building that house, and for the contractor's profit that would go into that, and then you come up with a cost approach. That's basically what that is. And that's not as popular. However, you'll generally see not only a market approach, but a cost approach will be a part of it. But more weight is given to the market approach because it makes more sense that if a property next door sold a month ago for $150,000 and it's just like your house, that your house is likely going to sell for that much, even if you have better building materials, slightly different, even if you have some other items that the cost approach would pick up on. The bottom line is that the buyer is going to come in and say, look, I'm offering you $150. I don't want to pay more for that. Why should I? Because your next door neighbor, which basically has the same house as yours, paid $150. I'm not paying for more. And you can say, well, I have better drywall, and I have, our paint's higher quality, but generally the weight is given to the comparables. That's why the market approach